Hello everyone, this is Hoot and I come from the Czech Republic, and I decided to show my face to you so that we are not so anonymous to one another. And today I am going to show you another piece of work which I've been working on for a couple of months, and it is FTP client for ZX Spectrum. This is my workroom. You see the room is really a mess, but it brings me lots of inspiration, and here is my second hobby, which is fly fishing. So here at this table I tie flies. Outside there is a green trees where I get inspiration from, and this is my beloved ZX Spectrum. Looks like an old +2, but inside there is an Element ZX, a new clone, powerful clone by the Czech designer Jan Kučera, also known as LMN. And to it I've got attached MB03. I think you have heard of them. So let's power it up. Let's power up the nuclear plant. Okay. This is the initial screen. The magenta border is showing us we're running on 20 megahertz. Okay, so first, let's erase so that we are a bit clear. Okay, now let's run the client itself. It's program number 6. This is the client. So, and I'm going to show you how it works with local FTP server, which is running right here. I forgot to mention that the MB03 has Wi-Fi module in itself, the same one as ZX Next has. So here is the server waiting for our ZX FTP client. So let's log in. The status is now show that we are not logged in, not even to a host. So let's log in. There's a welcome message appeared, the same one as the server sent, the same one received here. So let's put the username, let's put the password. Okay, we're logged on. The same is shown here. This is a very useful tool, the local server. It enabled me to test everything and have everything very close to my hands. So let's download a file, and it will be the file from the local file system. It will be the Bedlam game. Okay, let's see what the server will do. So download. Okay. Download is in progress. As you can see here. The download speed now at this very Element version is 5 to 6 kilobytes per second, including saving to disk. So let's quit it and see if the Bedlam worked. Yeah, you can see it here. So now let's extract the tab. We're still running on 20 megahertz, so it will be lightning fast. So Bedlam is there. Download it and load it good. Okay. Now let's upload files. We run the client again, and after another startup it shows that we are already logged on, because previously we had not quit the connection. So now let's upload a file called 16 kilobytes, which is size exactly 16 kilobytes. Now we are doing upload. So the transfer is okay. These 3 lines are showing us exactly the same as the server has sent us. And now let's have a look if the 16 kilobyte file is there. You can see it's been not uploaded. So this is for the local server.